In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a stud finder like a pro, so you never mess up hanging heavy stuff on your walls again. Using a stud finder is clutch when you want to avoid those annoying holes or nails that just won't hold, especially for things like big TVs, shelves, or heavy artwork. First off, make sure your stud finder has fresh batteries, because a weak one can give you false readings. Trust me, I've been there. Next, clear the wall of any decorations or obstacles so you get a clean scan. Hold the stud finder flat against the wall and move it slowly side to side. It'll beep or light up when it detects a stud behind the drywall. Mark the edges of the stud with a pencil to know exactly where it starts and ends. This helps when you're drilling or hammering screws in. If your stud finder has multiple modes, pick the one that matches your wall type, like wood or metal studs, to get better accuracy. Also, double check by measuring 16 to 24 inches from one stud to the next, since studs usually follow this spacing pattern. Finally, don't rush. Taking your time means fewer mistakes and a way stronger hold for whatever you're putting up. One of the biggest screw-ups people make with stud finders is not calibrating the device properly before starting, which totally messes with accuracy. Another common issue is not accounting for electrical wires or plumbing hidden inside walls, so always be cautious and consider using a multi-scanner model that detects wires and pipes too. And finally, some folks just guess the stud location based on wall texture or nails and trim, but that's old school and unreliable. Always use the stud finder for real proof before drilling or nailing. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks up homeowners with reliable local contractors who know their stuff, making home projects way less stressful. It's also a great spot for contractors to find new jobs and expand their business by connecting with people who really need their skills. If you want to keep your walls looking clean and your heavy stuff safely mounted, using a stud finder right is the way to go. No more guesswork or damage.